What's in the case? The MOVES SLC system will come with 2 protective Pelican cases. The first case will contain the MOVES SLC device only. The second case contains the standard MOVES SLC accessories. In the top cover, or lid of the case, you'll find the non-invasive blood pressure cuffs and hose extension, 2 4-foot-long invasive blood pressure cables, 1 13-foot-long invasive blood pressure cable, 2 anchor studs, a water trap, the Nafion tube, the O2 outlet sampling adapter, a 12-lead ECG cable, and a 3-lead ECG cable may be included. In the middle foam layer of the case, you'll find the adult SpO2 finger clip, the pediatric SpO2 finger clip, the SpO2 ear clip, the SpO2 patient cable, 2 temperature probe adapters, and the MOVES SLC Operator's Manual and Quick Start Guide. In the bottom foam layer of the case, you'll find the power supply and AC cable, a suction canister holder, 2 batteries, the front and back clamps, and a shoulder strap. Some optional accessories which may also be in the case include the MOVES SLC service manual, the stretcher adapter bar for NATO stretchers, the IV pole, 2 reed grab handles, and the remote screen interface and required cables.